Welcome to ZebPay's guide on using our referral program to earn exciting rewards. Let's walk you through the process. Step 1. Share your referral code. Find your unique referral code in the My Accounts section of the ZebPay app. Currently, this feature is app exclusive. However, your code works seamlessly for users signing up on the web as well. Step 2. Referee signs up. Once you share your code, your friend needs to sign up, complete registration, KYC, and bank verification to start trading on ZebPay. Step 3. Earn rewards. Earn rewards based on your friend's trading volume in their first 3 trades. Bigger trades mean bigger rewards. Referral slabs and rewards. Now, let's explore how the referral slabs and rewards are structured. For trading amounts up to 1,000 rupees or 10 USDT, a 5% reward will be applied. If the trading amount is between 1,000 and 10,000 rupees or 10 to 100 USDT, a 15% reward will be granted. For amounts ranging from 10,000 to 50,000 rupees or 100 to 600 USDT, a 25% reward will apply. Finally, trading amounts exceeding 50,000 rupees or 600 USDT will qualify for a 50% reward. Key offer details. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. You can earn up to 14,500 rupees or 150 USDT per financial year. Rewards are only for trading use. Withdrawals or direct transfers aren't allowed. Referees also benefit from a 10% discount on trading fees for their first trade of 5,000 rupees or more. Ready to earn exclusive rewards? Start referring to your friends and unlock exciting benefits today. Download the ZebPay app and share your referral code now.